welcome to my channel. Today we are starting chapter 2. So the first topic we are gonna discuss in chapter 2 is string concatenation and input function. So let's get started. So what is string concatenation? The addition of two strings is called string concatenation. How can we add two strings? Just like if I create a variable of name, first name, okay, my first name is Umair, okay. If I create second variable is last name and my last name is Tariq, okay. If I want to concatenate these two strings, so how can I do this? By using simple print function, first name plus last name, okay. There should be some gap, okay. Wait a second, I this, okay. If I run it, so you can see here that these two strings are concatenate. It means these two strings can add into each other. So here are more example. If I use like number is 3, we cannot add number into string. If I use it like, I should not here, if I use it here, if I comment this line and I print 4 plus first name, we cannot add number into the string. If I run it, then it creates an error here. A second. So here it creates a error, type error. What is the error is that integer and string plus cannot work to add these two different data types. So here I against last name, okay. So if I want to convert an integer data type into an string, how can I do that? If I want to add 3 here with first name, so if I want to do this, I use a function str function we can use to convert integer data type into a string data type. If I use it 3 now, if I run it again, then it is at 3. You can see that 3 concatenate with Umair, okay. How it possible? By using this str function, okay. There are two ways we can convert any number into a string. How can we do this? First we can use, I use str function here. Instead of str, I can use inverted commas here. So if I use 3, if I write 3 under inverted commas, so it becomes a string. If I run it again, so here the output is the same, okay. Now let's we talk about input function. What is input function? Here if I num is equals to input function, enter a number, okay. If I run it, num1 is equals to 5 plus, wait a second, print num, okay. If I run it, then it asks, input function asks a user a number. We can input a number or anything by using input function, okay. If I run it, it asks me a number. If I write 5, okay. If I enter it, okay, you can see the 5 is print here, okay. The first problem with input function is that input function always take arguments in string data type. It will never take argument in integer data type. So if I want to add num plus 8, so it should be become 8 here, 5 plus 8. If I run it, then it asks me I use 6. If I enter it, so it creates an error, is called type error. Why it creates an error? Because input function always take arguments in string data type. It is an important point. So how can we convert input function? We want input function to take argument in integer instead of string, so we can use integer function here. Okay. If I use integer function, now it can, now these numbers can add. If I run it again, if I write 6 here and enter, now you can see 14 here. These two numbers can add. So what we discussed in video, we discussed about string concatenation, how can we add two strings by using print or any function. So, and we talk about input. Input cannot take arguments in integer. We have to use integer function to take arguments in integer. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.